Now let's move to the basic of it and then real reasoning. So the first is and foremost is premise. Premise means a piece of information based on fact is called premise. Remember, premise is backbone of reasoning. And remember, premise is only piece of information that will be in all types of passage or reasoning. Remember, conclusion may or may not be in the passage, but there will be premise in every passage. Without premise, there is no passage, there is no reasoning, there is no argument. So the case will be, there will be always premise. All right, now, next is conclusion. Conclusion means derived information from premise. Remember, conclusion cannot exist in the absence of premise. Without premise, conclusion is not possible. And therefore, we should avoid, therefore keep in mind that conclusion will be after premise. Now, example, CR is an essential part of GMAT. Therefore, you should pay extra attention. So CR is essential part of GMAT. Therefore, you should pay extra attention. What does it mean here? The first part is CR essential part of GMAT. So this is fact. So this is called premise. On the basis of that, this sentence has been taken. So this is called dependent piece of information. Why it is dependent piece of information? Because it is related to essentiality. All right, so this is called conclusion. Remember, premise plus conclusion is called argument. Premise plus conclusion is called argument. So from here to here, this is called argument. So argument means premise plus conclusion. Note, argument and conclusion are synonyms of each other. Now, moving to the next point. If sentence begins with because, if sentence begins with because, it's been premise. If sentence begins with so, it is conclusion. Now, so family of because itself, for, since, as. Family of conclusion. So, thus, therefore, that is why, hence. Now, structure of the passage will be X, therefore Y, or X because Y. X therefore Y, X premise, Y conclusion. X because Y, X conclusion, Y premise. Note, Premise will be always near conclusion, either before or after. Fine. So this is basic information. Now let us understand